Hey friends, this is Latif Hope here, Val, and welcome to the update on Alchemy. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of Alchemy has formed a head and shoulder pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we take a look at the live 4-hour time frame, then here you can see that this was the head and shoulder pattern. This was the left shoulder and the head and the right shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern. The neckline was slightly tilted, therefore, I was telling you that for the safer side, we can consider a neckline that was formed here at this swing low that was formed here on 28th of January 2025. And now you can see that we have almost broken it down. Here we broke it down, but the price is now again recovered back. And now it is again trying to break it down. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this descending triangle and from this previous falling wedge pattern. And we will also take a look at the previous very massive breakout that was happening here on the 7-day time frame chart from another big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to show you this very long-term downtrend and resistance that the price end could not break out since after January 2022. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here recently. By the way, here we had another rejection in the month of December 2024. And recently, despite this long spike, the price could not break it out. And I would also like to show you this very big ascending triangle that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Steam, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 3rd of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Alchemy. And first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that the price line of Alchemy has formed this head and shoulder pattern. By the way, recently, after the breakout from this descending triangle, we had a very powerful rally. And for a while on this 4-hour time frame chart, we also broke out this very long-term downtrend and resistance as well. Let me show you on the 7-day time frame chart. And here you can see that this resistance is coming from the month of January 2022. And we got several ejections. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, 2 rejections here, another rejection here. And recently, despite these 2 long spikes beyond the resistance on the 7-day time frame chart, the price could not break it out. On a 4-hour time frame chart, we for a while broke it out, but again moved down and formed this head and shoulder pattern. This was the left shoulder and the head and the right shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern. And this was the neckline approximately here at 2.92 cents. And now you can see that the price line is breaking down this neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. Now, if we take a look at the expected target for this breakdown, that is by the way quite down from here. That can be approximately at this long-term support of 1.4 cents. But as I was telling you that before that, we have a very long-term uptrend line support here on the monthly time frame chart. You can see that we have the formation of this ascending triangle, and the support of the triangle is coming from the month of December 2022. We had a bounce here and several touch points here at this uptrend line support from the month of August 2024 up till the month of January 2025. And this time, if the price and will hit the resistance, hit the support of this triangle, then it can hit the support somewhere here, approximately at 2 cents. Therefore, in my opinion, the pricing can hit the support of this triangle, and from there, we can expect another reversal to the upside, and it will be really very difficult to hit this target at 1.4 cents. And in fact, the previous resistance of the triangle and the support of this triangle can again act as a very strong support. And for example, if the price and again drops down here at the support of the triangle, then this support is exactly at this level at 2 cents, where we are expecting this drop. And over there, almost over there, we have this very long-term uptrend line support of this big ascending triangle on this monthly time frame chart as well. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that as our expectations, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this triangle. We have already achieved the target for the breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. But so far, the price did not hit the target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern. That technical target is about to be here at the top of the way. That is approximately somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. And if the price and reaches there, then it can also break out another very, very massive resistance. And that is the resistance of this big and huge ascending triangle. That resistance is approximately at 5.2 cents. You can see that we got rejections here, rejection here, rejection here. And despite this long spike here, price and could not break it out this time once again and rejected. And here we have this very long-term uptrend line support as well. By the way, right now we are watching on the monthly time frame chart. And this time if the price and again hits the resistance, then it can hit the resistance here at 5.2 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the ascending triangle, a very, very massive rally can start. And that long-term target after the breakout from this ascending triangle, as per this measurement, will be here. That will be somewhere between 37 cents to 40 cents. But this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.